Hello students, now topic is types of rocks. Types of rocks throughout the world. A group of minerals is nothing but a rock. We can see three types of rocks throughout the world. One is igneous rocks or primary rocks. The second one is sedimentary rocks or secondary rocks. Third one is metamorphic rocks or secondary rocks. The metamorphic rocks are also called secondary rocks. Now we are going to discuss the igneous rocks or primary rocks. The igneous rocks form due to the consolidation of the rock liquid interior of the earth and surface of the earth. Again, igneous rocks are classified into two major types. One is internal igneous rocks, the second one is external igneous rocks. The internal igneous rocks form due to consolidation of the rock liquid interior of the earth. Again, internal igneous rocks are classified into two types. One is plutonic igneous rocks, the second one is hypabyssal igneous rocks. The plutonic igneous rocks form at more depth of the earth. Example, granites, gabbro, sillimanites, and so forth. The rocks which form at shallow depth of the earth are called hypabyssal rocks. Examples, dolerites. External rocks. The rocks which form due to consolidation of the rock liquid on the surface of the earth are called external rocks. Examples, basalts, andesite, phonolites, rhyolites, and so forth. The plutonic rocks have coarse grained crystals. The hypabyssal rocks have medium grained crystals. While the internal igneous rocks have crystals due to slow cooling of the magma. The external rocks have fine-grained crystals or glassy structures. The rock liquid is called lava. When it lies on the surface of the earth, it has no gases because gases join to the atmosphere. The rock liquid is called magma when it lies interior of the earth. It has some gases, H2S, CO2, SO2, HCl, and so forth. The characteristics of the igneous rocks. The igneous rocks have minerals and metals. The igneous rocks have fractures. The igneous rocks have more hardness when compared with the other rocks. Best example, igneous rocks, Deccan Plateau in India. It is a classification of igneous rocks or primary rocks. The second one is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks form due to weathering of the igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. That weathered material transported by the external forces at some distance, ultimately deposited at suitable places. The external forces are fluvial landforms or rivers, erosional depositional landforms, glaciers, erosional depositional landforms, underground water, erosional, depositional landforms, sea waves and wind system, erosional and depositional. External forces are 5: rivers, glaciers, underground water, sea waves, winds in the desert areas. These are the external forces. Again, sediment rocks are classified into three major classification. One is mechanical sediment rocks. The second one is organic sedimentary rocks. Third one is chemical sedimentary rocks. The mechanical sedimentary rocks form with the material of sand, clay, pebbles, conglomerates. That material carried by the rivers and external forces. Again, the mechanical sedimentary rocks are classified into three types. One is arenaceous sedimentary rocks. The second one is argillaceous sedimentary rocks. The third one is rudiceous sedimentary rocks. The rocks which form only with sand particles are called arenaceous sedimentary rocks or stratified rocks. Example, sandstones. The rocks which form only with the clay materials are called argillaceous sedimentary rocks. Example, clay.